Hello everyone. So I will do a quick recap of whatever we have done for directive to directive communication. So we created a money directive here, and now we are using that money directive inside this add money directive, and we are using this controller, money controller, and we are calling this method add pocket money, and this method is defined inside the controller of first directive. So from second directive, calling the method of first directive. This is how it is working. So add pocket money in rupees. This is just an array. I'm just inserting. Pushing means you are just appending the data on top of stack. So you are just adding the data and you are calling this whenever, and you are showing that data on the console whenever you mouse over to that data. So in index.html I have this. Money is my parent directive, which is restricted to the element. This is money, add money, and then next add money, which is a attribute directive, add money. So how it will look. So when you do, it will print that value. It is firing that method and will insert the data there. So this is all about, every time it is initializing this with empty, so you are seeing this like this. So this is all about directive to directive communication. Now we will see how to use a same directive in different places in the application, and how we can isolate the scope of those directives. So we will just remove, I will remove this code. This is not required now. So in the right here, the directive, I will put a directive like a demo. Don't put a line break here with the return, otherwise you will see unexpected error. So you will restrict it to, I will restrict it to element, and I will do a template, whatever it is returning. Input type, this is text. I will use the ng model to get the data. Ng model equal to like data. This is closing of this, and I will print the value of data whatever user will enter. So I will enclose this here. So this is the template which you are returning for the directive demo. Let's see, in the index.html you need to define it like this. So if you see, is there any error or something? Okay, demo directive should return, this is directive, it is returning input type text. This is the template that it should return. Input type text. Let me check what is the issue. It is not returning the data. Maybe I can put double quotes here and single quotes for these, but it will not make any difference. Restrict to the element. This is demo. Let me hard refresh it. Okay, this is the text field. So I will get this. So let's copy and paste it, and we will create a multiple directive. We will use it multiple places. So you will see the difference here. That same scope. Okay, I need to put a line break so that we can differentiate. So here each directive is returning a text field. So you see this. Whatever you are writing, that is getting reflected on each and every directive. So these are this is the same directive but being used at a different places. But the scope is shared between all the directives, so they are using the same data. Whatever you are writing in the first text field, that is appearing on the others. So that is the issue, because there is no isolation between the executions of these directives. I mean, there is no isolations of the scope. They are using the common scope and sharing the common scope. So in the next video tutorial, we will see how we can isolate the directives, because common directive can be used in different places of your application. In that case, you need to isolate each and every directive from each other. Thank you, everyone.